Okay, the next item I will be testing for 30-06 Outdoors is their Aero Insert Glue. This is called Insert Weld. Black high viscosity rubber toughened, great for carbon and aluminum shafts. Shock resistant, 0.008 inch gap filler, that's 8 thousandths of an inch. 3,700 PSI strength, military grade, max 90-second bond time, temperature rated -65 degrees to +280 degrees Fahrenheit. Installation points: clean aero, shaft completely until smooth and free of all dust particles. For best results, use in lower humidity areas and store in a cool, dry place. So let's go ahead and I'll pause the video and we'll see how this works out. Okay, the big thing I want to talk about concerning insert adhesives, specifically old style insert adhesives. Back in the old days, we used to use the hot melt glue. The issue with the inserts and aero shafts, specifically carbon shafts, is that there is some tolerance or slop. I don't know if you can see as I wiggle the shaft back and forth, there's a little bit of slop in there, and they do that on purpose because there has to be some manufacturing tolerances. The issue is that if you use an insert adhesive that does not make up for that slop, your insert is going to be misaligned with the interior of the aero shaft. Let's say that you have one shaft that is 2 or 3 thousandths of an inch greater inside diameter than another one. Well, then that insert will not be precisely aligned. So we'll go ahead and apply the insert weld. Now you notice I always grab the inserts with it. This is an old pair of knocking pliers. That way you don't get your fingers involved. So you just want to I just put a little bead around, maybe every 120 degrees, okay, and then go ahead and insert it in the shaft, and then you just want to rotate it around like I'm doing here. There's some excess there, that's okay, don't worry about that. So I just rotate it around 360 degrees, and then I'll go ahead and just wipe off that excess. Take an old rag, wipe off the excess, and you're done. So we'll go ahead and let that set up, and we'll do a little weight test. All right, so the insert weld has set up. I've got a little impromptu tester. I've got 20 pounds of dead free weights hanging from a vice grip to a fill point to a welding rod hook to a tie wrap, and we'll just go ahead and see if we can do a pull test here. This is about probably 21 pounds with the vice grip factored into the weight. And we are fully suspended. I'm going to give it a little couple tugs there. That insert weld is definitely holding. So, I tell you what, if you all want to find a good insert weld adhesive, you got to check out 30-06 Outdoors. Their Aero Insert Glue, the insert weld.